All right, gonna do a fun one here. It's called 50 Starlings in less than 5 minutes. All right, just a quick intro into the equipment that I'm using. So when I go into the barns to shoot the Starlings at night, I use my FX Dreamline bottle, and it's in 177. And then attached to it, I have the Pard NV008 night sight, which works out great, especially for recording. And then I have my setup where I have it the regulator at 100, so that when I shoot on low power, I basically get 300 plus shots in one evening of shooting. So all in all, works out very well. And here's a quick view of the barn I'm about to go into and turn off the lights. So as you can see, lots of starlings, and then you can hear them as well. Alright, so the lights are out now, and I decided to do this video and see exactly approximately how fast could I shoot the magazines that I have when I start out a shooting session. So this one plays peekaboo with me. I'm like, not quite enough, not quite enough, and then I'm like, that's good. So able to take him out. And this one I didn't even hesitate. I'm like, yeah, we'll try it. It's amazing at how many starlings on this dairy farm that I go to. So many of them. Almost had a double on that one. Didn't quite get it. Of course, the nice thing about having the lights out is birds are less likely to fly. Oh, hanger. There we go. Knew we'd get one of those or so. This one thinks he's gonna get away, but not so much. This one keeps walking up that wire. Take him out. Move on to the other ones. Oh, and here's the tight rope walker. I'm safe, I'm safe. Look at me. I see you. So here I'm just like trying to figure out where to line up and what row to go down after I get these first couple. Got another hanger, always a fun thing. And it's like, okay, just start shooting. Shoot, shoot, shoot as fast as you can. If you're lucky, they sit tight and they don't move, and you can just look at that one. He doesn't have a glowing eye, so he had a different pigmentation in his eye. But you usually just walk down left to right or right to left, whatever you can get, if they're sitting still. Hanger. This guy jumps, thinks he's okay, jumps some more, and not so much. It's like, can I get a double? Can I get a double? Double! Yes! And that's another double. These guys always fighting each other. Can't just get along. So again, the whole thing was to see whether or not I could get 50 or more starlings in less than 5 minutes. This last clump was pretty good. Took me just over 4 clips. So thanks for watching, and like and subscribe.